Guys, may earthquake.
Ang hiyang buhay to.
Nieta. Nag-Japan ka na. More earthquake ang pangayop na yan.
Buisit. Don't turn it on. There's an earthquake. You know what an earthquake
Gamay ka.
is?
Kapil ka?
Wait lang, Dodong, ha?
Mo din, dili ka. Pinakuha ko yung balance.
Meron pa?
Napa. Kapil ka?
Grabe na normal lang. Kasi I think normal na lang sa kanila yung ganito.
Balance.
Akala ko Amber Alert, earthquake pala, buisit.
May story ako din, but earthquake.
Earthquake. Wait lang, ha?
Do you know what an earthquake
You know what
is?
an earthquake is?
It's when the ground
shakes.
shakes.
Okay? And you hide under, okay?
When there's an earthquake, you hide under the table, ha? Okay?
Oh, first drill ni Dudong, hindi pa talaga drill. Totoong earthquake pa
Inood mo.
talaga. Oh my God, I was scared. Napa? Meron pa?
Dili.
Hindi na nakafeel ko.
Feel ka?
Did you feel the ground like that? Did you feel it? Dudong?
Normal na sila dyan.
Paano pa kaya kung nasa Disney sila, no?
May galing wala.
Scary.
Mau sigurong later today.
No, si Manong. Thank you, Manong.
Manong.
Okay, I think it's okay na.
Guys, nag-earthquake sa Tokyo, Japan. Malakas siya, guys.
Ano?
Ay, meron pa.
Wala na. Hi! Earthquake, not a drill.
Wala na.
Okay.
Wala na.
Okay. Alright, you did so good. Good job, baby boy.